let's continue to design our process. So we did this part. If the leave request is annual leave, it will go from yes. What if it's not annual leave? Then I will send it to approve anyway to the managers. So I just copy and paste this task form that is assigned to managers. But this time, if it's not annual leave, so it's not a annual uh, paid leave request. It's an unpaid leave request, and I will send it to managers. So managers will again be able to approve, send to revision, or deny this request. And it's the same. I will send it to revision, and it will require a, a reason for explanation. And I say send to revision the first button. Again, let's make it yellow like this, and you'll see the reason of revision is mandatory at this step. And there was one deny, and let's just copy and paste this terminate tool, and let's send it to deny or cancel. Let's say deny. Sorry for the terminology again if I'm doing any mistake in terms of terminology, but I think it's understood. But I will inherit the mandatory field control because reason of revision is mandatory if it goes from the send to revision button. Okay, I did it. Now I have the approve button, but I want to once it's approved and if the duration is more than 5 days, I want to send it first to HR, then update the database. So I copy and paste this decision tool, and if I approve it, let's write the button name approve, and let's make the background color green. And if the leave request, unpaid leave request is more than 5 days, then I want it to go to, I copy and paste this task form, but not to managers this time, but to HR. And HR, I will write the disclosure for HR. I can say, I don't know, you may see the approved leave request. Please submit. Okay, but I don't want any mandatory fields. Yeah, I will make everything read-only, so the HR will see all these details: name, date, number, unpaid leave days, paid leave days, duration of leave request, and all the details. Emergency contact name and number as well. So if it goes from yes, so if the duration is more than 5 days, it goes to HR directly, and the HR will submit, and they will update the database. So I take this update database tool, I copy and paste it, and from the action I will first calculate the days to be updated, and so let's say submit. Let's make the background color darker like this, and let's write our formula. The formula will be this time unpaid leave days minus duration of leave request, and the calculated data element will be remaining days. and you see our formula. So this formula updates paid leave days, and paid leave days were spec'd 2. But I will now update unpaid leave days, so it's spec'd 1. I just update it as it is. The rest is the same. That's fine. And it will be submitted. If it is not more than 5 days, it will go directly, but not to HR this time, to the database directly in order to be updated. Yes, that looks like a leave request process. We ended, so I save this process and I activate it. It is ready to be checked.